Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be show you how to recover Snapchat account without phone number. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open a browser, and right now I'm using Google Chrome, and then search here support Snapchat, and now you have to open this first link, support.snapchat.com, and click on contact us, and now select I can't access my account, and from here select I forgot my password, and then here you will find this option, need help with something else. You have to click on yes, and here you have to put your Snapchat username. After that, here you have to put the email address which one is associated with your Snapchat account. Here you have to give your any phone number, and then here you have to provide as much details as possible, such as what you think your account may be hacked or details of the bug you're experiencing. And then you have to click on send. After that, hope you will get a message from Snapchat with your account recovery option. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.